how to fix Instagram this username is not available. So guys, you can see here the username is not available here. So what you have to do is go back to your Instagram, go to edit profile, and then just type here one. See here, the username 1 million is not available. So what you have to do is just take a number 55, sorry, just take a space here, and then you have to do is ideas, just write in ideas, and then just take number as 1111. So you can see here it has been fixed. This is how you can fix Instagram this username is not available. So you have to give the number at the end of your name. Thanks for watching.